Hello all, very good afternoon. Hi Mercy. Hello Rayan, that's a new name for me. Hi Aditya. Hi Sonali, long time. Thank you. Hi Neeraj. So we'll just wait for another 1 more minute. Have you people taken test? Complete test? Full length test? Yes, no? Yes, Anshula. Okay, nice. Hi Michelle. Hello Andy. Hasib is saying yes. Who else? Of course, Faisal. Nice, Faisal. Yeah, 28th June one, correct. How was it? Was it good? Fine. Hi, Shreya. Yeah, great. Yeah, because the questions were easy. Victor Shaibu. Okay, fine. So it was fantastic. So what should we do then? Shall we quickly take a look on the questions? Number series was time consuming. I don't know how many number series question was there. Hello, Deepika. Hi, Parmila Gorang. Okay. All right, then if we'll get time, we will discuss. There was one more, there, there was one more question, like one more set which we haven't solved, right? Previously, I think some 21st June logical part. So we'll do that also. So let's go then. Hi, Ayush. Okay, so yeah. So let me know because the questions were easy and you people have already got the answers also. You people performed well too. So yeah, let me know which all questions we should discuss. So what should be the approach to easy? This one is easy. Quadratic equation in two variables. That's it, right? Not quadratic, sorry. Linear equation. 5 tables plus 8 chairs is equal to 7350, and 3 tables plus 5 chair. 5 table and 8 chair. 3 tables and 5 chair is equal to 4475, right? So what is the price of one table? All of you can do this. We'll move ahead then. They are asking what is the price of one table. So it cancel this chair, like multiply it by 5 and multiply it by 8. So you will get 25t plus 40c is equal to 7350 into 5. And this is 24t plus 40c is equal to 4475 into 8. Here the calculation might get higher because this will get cancelled. So if you can take 5 common, 2 common, so some part you can take common and can do it. So 950 will be your answer. Done? Fine. Let's move to the next one. Okay. Where is the next one? Why it is not moving? Yeah, same concept. 3 apple, 2 guavas, 1 apple, 4 guavas. Right. Cost of 5 guavas. Okay, you just again you have to add it and get the answer. So I'm not solving this also. How about this? Got the answer for this one? Cannot be determined. Did you understand? All of you got it, or anybody wants me to explain? All right. So here, if the 2 digits of the ages of Mr. Manoj Sagar. So you remember last time we have solved one question where a person was walking, or like he was driving or riding something, and then he looks at the milestone, and after 1 hour, whichever milestone he, is it no audio, people? Am I audible? Yes, so you'd have to check at your end, whoever said no audible, not audible. Okay, thank you, people. So you remember we have discussed one question of milestone, like after going, as of now, let's say he looks at XY, and then after traveling for 1 hour, that milestone is nothing but YX. The digits interchange. The same thing here. If the 2 digit of the age of Mr. Manoj Sagar are reversed, so let's say XY is Manoj Sagar's age, and then it's reversed YX, then the new age so obtained is the age of his wife. So this is wife's age. If Mr. Manoj Sagar is elder to his wife, then find the difference between their ages. Again, so this XY and YX. So this could be 10x plus Y, and this could be 10y plus X. So if uh, Manoj Sagar is elder, and we need to find out the difference of the age. So 10x plus Y minus 10y minus X, so which will give you 9x minus Y. So if I take X is equal to, like, possible value of X could be 4, 5, and similarly Y value could be something else. So there could be like multiple answers for this, right? So that's why the answer is cannot be determined. So a very simple one, I can take 54, 45 is possible, right? Then what else? 30, 35, 53 is also possible. Are you getting my point, people? Or I should write it here. 53 and 35. 62 and 26. Shall I write it? Okay. Just do it. There was one couple, Milind Soman, a famous celebrity of India. He got married to a very young girl very recently. Very recently, not very recently, been a year old maybe. So yeah, anyway, let's not get emotional about it. Let's focus on the question. So the thing is that here the difference is of 18, here the difference is of 9, and here the difference is of 36. So the difference could be 9, 18, 36, anything. That's why the answer is cannot be determined, right? I hope that's clear now. Sisto and whoever others asked. Got it, right? Yes, clear, all clear, super. Okay, yes, Ayush. Fine, this was fairly simple one. Okay, what would be the answer for this one? 92. What we need to do is find the remainder when the polynomial this is divided by x plus 2. It means that x is equal to minus 2, we should substitute. So at place of x, substitute minus 2. So 2 into minus 2 to the power 4 minus 6 into minus 2 to the power 3 plus 2 into 2 square minus 2 square plus 2. Okay, one more minus 2 is there. Minus 2 for this. This will become minus minus plus 2. This will be minus of minus 2 plus 2. Just solve this. You will get 92 is the answer. I hope that's clear. So we'll move on. Okay. Fine. Let's move to the next one. Okay. This is also similar stuff, I guess. Fx is equal to 4x cubed minus 12x square, where g of x is equal to minus divided by g of x, where x minus 1 by 2. So again, you can say that x is equal to 1 by 2. So substitute x is equal to 1 by 2 everywhere. And then check what's the answer. 4 into 1 by 2 whole cube minus 12 into 1 by 2 whole square plus 14 into 1 by 2 minus 3. You got 3 by 2. What's the answer? 3 by 2 only. Or you got minus 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is the answer. Same thing, right? Please add me in WhatsApp so that we'll get the PDF and whatever taught by you. Neeraj, WhatsApp has reached to its maximum capacity, and very soon, like I think it's taking, because of some technical issue, it is taking some time. Let me just check how much material got added on there, or we'll do something about it. Okay, let me make some link or something. Can you please, I'm sorry, Smart Creations, for which question you said explain once again? I didn't see that. So yeah, so answer will be 3 by 2. Okay, just finish it. 2 cube is 8, so 1 by 8 it will be, sorry, 1 by 4, 1 by 2 it will be, minus 2 square is 4, so this will be 3 plus 7, and this is again minus 3. So minus 3 is minus 6, plus 1 is plus 7 is plus 1. Plus 1 is equal to 3 by 2. Yes, the answer is 3 by 2. Okay, fine. Let's move to the next one then. Fine, Faisal. If one question is repeated, it's okay. All right, how you will solve this question now? (42, 49, 56, 63, 35). Okay, so just add all and divide it by 5, right? That's one way of doing it. Another one is 9, 6, 15 plus 2, 17 plus 3, 14. Okay. One more way you can do this question is, I don't know how many of you will be able to understand, but yeah. Are you comfortable in adding and dividing it by 5? Can you reply? Neutralization method, Anupa, you know that, okay? All right, people, those who know neutralization, you do that. So Anupa, what number have you assumed? 35 being the smallest number, 63 being the highest number. What number have you assumed? 49. Assume 49. NJ, even you know about this? Okay, so 49, 49, 49. 49 minus 49 is 0. 42 minus 49 is 42 minus 49 is minus 7. 56 minus 49 is plus 7. Yeah, Deepika, we are doing that. 63 minus 49. 63 minus 49 is not plus 7. It is 13 minus 9 is 4, 14. And 35 minus 9, 49 is plus 14, I guess. Sorry, this is plus 14 and this will be minus 14. So you see minus 14 plus 14 got cancelled, plus 7 minus 7 got cancelled. At the end, we are getting 0. Hence, our answer is 49. So that will be our answer. All right. You can add 42 plus 49 plus 56 plus 63 plus 35 by 5. This is also one method which you can do it. That's the method which you know. Otherwise, what happens in this method is, those who don't know, we assume one number. What about just add all of them and just divide? Yes, Rehan, you can do this. You can do this. Okay. In neutralization method, how to assume. So I'll say that assume any number which is one out of these 5. So how many of you want me to share one more example of this, of neutralization method? If I'll get more number of people, we'll see same question in a different way. Okay, let's look at it. All right, so yeah, I don't know why I'm unable to draw a line. So now let's say that instead of 42, somebody assumed, you can assume any number. Okay, you can assume any number. So now let's say that you are assuming that the average is 56. What are the numbers? 42, 49, 56, 63, and 35. So now you assumed that number average is 56. So if average is 56, everywhere you will write 56. So 56 minus 56 is 0. 49 minus 56 is how much? 51 and 6, it is 7. So this is minus 7. 42 minus 56 is 10 and 4, 14. So minus 14, right? 63 minus 56 is 4 and 3, 7. This is plus 7. And 35 minus 56 is 35, 55, 21. So this is minus 21. Agree? 6 minus 5, 5 minus 3, 16, 6 minus 3, 13 minus 6 is 7. Yeah. All right. So now again, plus 7 and minus 7 will get cancelled. Right? Now what is happening? I think this is 42 minus 14 and this is minus 21. Okay, let's see. So what happened is, this is minus 14 and this is minus 21. Minus 14 and minus 21 is giving you minus 35. All right, minus 35. Did you understand so far, people? I'm just adding whatever is left over. Like in previous question, everything was like in previous example, everything was getting cancelled. So once it got cancelled, we cancel it. Everything got cancelled. We at the end we got 0. When we got 0, our life is simple. But here we are not getting 0. We are getting minus 35 extra. Now this 35 needs to be divided amongst these 5 numbers. So minus 35 by 5 will give you minus 7. Right? So what number you have assumed? You have assumed 56. From 56, you need to subtract 7. So 56 minus 7, 49 is your answer. Okay. Let's look at one more. Let's say that instead of 42, 49, is this color visible? Let me use black color. 42, 49, 56, 63, and 35. Now let's say that somebody wants to assume 42 as the average. If 42 is the average, or you can assume 35 also, but yeah, try to assume one number which is in center. So 42 minus 42 is 0, 49 minus 42 is plus 7, 56 minus 42 is how much? 14. This is 14. And 63 minus 42 is 21. All these are plus, right? This is plus, this is also plus, this is also plus. 35 minus 42 is minus 7, right? So this got cancelled. So now this time you're getting 14 plus 21 plus 35. Again plus 35 divided by 5, you will get plus 7. So what you have assumed? You have assumed 42. So your actual answer should be what? 42 plus 7. 42 plus 7, 49. All right. So that this is neutralization method. Like you can just do. What is average? Average is nothing but the distribution. All right, Petro. Okay. So this is what this helps in some other question also. Like I'll share one more question before we move on, because other questions are also similar. So let me share one more question. Is that okay if I'll share one more question? Would that be okay with you people? Let me open Paint. So like many people know the answer for this. It's helpful when you don't have calculator. Yeah, it's helpful when you have good numbers. Fine. So there is one more, one question. Fine. A very common question. There are 20 students and their average age is 20. All right. Very common question, people. Okay. So 20 students, their average age is 20. If teacher's age is included, Huchas Deco, why we divided it by 5? Because there were 5 in total number, 42, 47, 49, 56, 65, and 35, something like that. Okay, that's why we divided it by 5. If there are 6 numbers, we will divide it by 6. If there are 8 numbers, we will divide that extra part. That extra part needs to be divided amongst 8 number. Like minus 35 was extra. So that minus 35 needs to divide amongst 5 number. So that's why, like for whatever you have assumed 56, 56 minus 5. Similarly, when you have assumed 42, you got 35 extra. Now this 35 plus 35 needs to be divided amongst 5 number. So each number will get 7777. So that's where 42 plus 7, everybody's number will be 49. I hope that's clear now. If teacher's age is included, new average of entire class is, increased by 1. What is teacher's age? What is teacher's age? Anyone? So this question, you can do it so directly if you understood that. Yeah, correct. Right, NJ. Correct. All of you got it, right? Yeah, 41 is the answer. So I took this question to explain you the concept of that neutralization. So 20 students, S1, S2, S3. If we want to get average, we must divide the sum of the total we have to. Yes, that's correct. That's the traditional way. NJ, S20, right? So every student is 20 right now. But when teacher's age is included, correct, 20 plus 21. Everyone's age is increased by 1. So it means that whatever was the teacher's age, teacher, let's say that every one entire class, new average of class is increased by 1. It means that even teacher is 21 now. But how this 21 happened? Because teacher had given one year from her age to these 20 students. It means that from teacher's age, 20 had gone. So like plus 1, 20 times. So this has to be minus 20. So x minus 20 is equal to 21. X is equal to 41. That would be your answer. All of you understood, right? This one? I think so. Spectators, people, those who are okay. No. Fine. See, what happened, Khedi and Ayush. All right. I'm explaining. As of now, everyone's age is 20, 20, 20, 20. Where their average age is 20. So we assume that everyone is of 20, 20, 20. Now, when teacher's age is included, everyone age became 21. Right? Even teacher's age became 21. So now what happened? I don't know teacher's actual age. So this is X. So now when this 20 will become 21, when plus 1 will get added? Plus 1, 20 plus 1, 21, 20 plus 1, 21. So this plus 1 got added how many times? To 20 students. It means that this plus 1 got added 20 times, right? So to make it 0, I need to subtract 20. I hope you are understanding. Neutralization, like just now we saw, right? Minus 7, 7 and 14 and minus 14. So when everything is getting 0, it means that if we are getting 0 at the end, it means that that's the actual average. So here we know that 21 is actual average. So if it is plus 1 20 times, so this has to be minus 20 to make it 0. So we just have to solve this part. X minus 20 is equal to 21. X is equal to 41. or think logically. Now, everyone, just keep your ears open. So, as of now, every student is of 2020. Every student is of 2020, right? Now, when teachers comes, then every one student becomes 21. So, even teachers become 21. So, what is happening here? Teacher is giving 1 year to each student. It means that teacher is giving 20 years from her age. It means that teacher is 41. Did you understand it now? You can do it orally. Got it, right, Ayush? Okay, all right, fine. So let me go back to the same page. Okay, fine. So we are good with this now. Yeah. How about this question? Rahul Ghosh walks from A to B, B to A. What is his average speed? All right, Ishika. All right, Bimla. Yeah, B is the answer. It's clear. So yes, you have to do, there is one more method I'll tell you that might be very helpful for new people. So if there is, how you have approached this question, can anyone give me a hint? I'm waiting for your reply. LCM method, okay, Yash. 2AB upon A plus B, NJ, okay. All right, so Yash knows. Yash, had you gone through videos or you knew this method? 2xy plus x upon x plus y. Okay, all right. LCM. Anupa, I know about you. All right, so fine. So one is yes, 2AB upon A plus B or 2xy upon x plus y. That's one way. Had it been three distance given, let's say A, B, C, then the formula will be what? 3ABC upon AB plus BC plus CA. And if four distance been given A, B, C, D, then the formula is 4ABCD upon ABC plus BCD plus CDA plus DAB. All right, some combination. I'm not sure about this. So there were some question where three sides been given, when the four sides been given. So how to calculate this question? How many of you are interested to know this? How many of you are interested to know this? Yes, no? Deepika Gautam raised hand. Okay. All right. I am new to this. Fine. So what we do is whatever the speed's been given, all right, whatever the speed's been given, 8 and 12, take the LCM. All right. 8 and 12, take the LCM. What is 8 and 12 LCM? 24, right? Yeah. So we'll assume that 24 kilometer is the distance between A and B. All right. Now, solve this question logically. What is average speed? Average speed is equal to total distance upon total time taken. All right. Average speed is equal to total distance upon total time taken. All of you know this at least? Average speed is equal to total distance upon total time taken. Yes, no, quickly. Yeah, okay, cool. Now, so what is the total distance if the person is going from A to B and B to A? What will be the total distance? 48. All right. Now, a person is going with the speed of 8 kilometer per hour. How long will that person take while going from A to B? 3 hours. A person is traveling back at the speed of 12 kilometer per hour. How long will that person take? 2 hours. 3 plus 2 is what? 5. 5, 9, 45, 9.6 kilometer per hour is your answer. Okay, simply we just have to take, okay, Faisal, I'm repeating. What we have to do is, whatever the speed's been given, take the LCM of that. Take the LCM of 8 and 12. Is it applicable for 3 or 4? Aditya, are you the old Aditya or new Aditya? 8 and 12. So take LCM of 8 and 12. That's 24. 1 minute old Aditya. I'll reply to you then. LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. So this 24 kilometer will be my distance. I assume that distance is this. Are you getting Faisal now? So now I know that average speed is equal to total distance upon total time taken. Total distance upon, at how LCM determine the distance, ma'am? I never heard that. Okay. So what we are doing here is 1 minute, total distance upon total time taken. See, the distance is constant. A to B, B to A, distance is constant. So you take some good number which is divisible by 8 and 12. So that's why we are taking LCM of it. All right, Sesto? Fine. So like, let's say if there is one question, shall I raise this? Shall I raise this? Shall I clear all the drawing? If you want to take screenshot quickly, if you want to. Oh, Muhammad Ali, Abdullahi, Muhammad. These are easy question, Muhammad. So yeah, I'm erasing it. Another 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. I'm clearing drawing. Okay, so let's say that. So it's on your request, NJ. You are going A to B, B to C, C to D. All distance are equal. AB, BC, CD, and DA. The distance is equal. Done. So you are traveling A to B at the speed of 1 kilometer per hour, B to C at the speed of 2 kilometer per hour, C to D 3 kilometer per hour. Is my screen visible properly? Yes. So Deepika, I think that's the problem only with your case. Okay, thank you. So 1 kilometer per hour, 2 kilometer per hour, 3 kilometer per hour, and 4 kilometer per hour. B to A to D speed is 4 kilometer per hour. So now what we will do? We need to calculate. There is a dog, not dog. What I should take? There is one rat. One rat is going from A to B at the speed of 1 kilometer per hour, B to C at the speed of 2 kilometer per hour, C to D at the speed of D 3 kilometer per hour, and D to A 4 kilometer per hour. All right. So what is average speed of rat in covering entire square field, square patch? One square patch is there. So what we will do? Faisal, what we will do? LCM of what? Roshni, I don't know the answer of this. Yes, answer for this one was 9.6. LCM of speeds, very good. So we will take LCM of 1, 2, 3, and 4. What is LCM of 1, 2, 3, and 4? Yes, KD. 12. What is the largest number amongst them? 4. Is 4 divisible by 1? Yes. Is 4 divisible by 2? Yes. But 4 is not divisible by 3. So multiply 3 and 4 directly, because 3 and 4 is prime number, are prime number. So yes, 3 and 4, LCM is 12. So it means that this is 12 kilometer. This is 12 kilometer A to B. This is 12 kilometer. This is 12 kilometer. This is 12 kilometer. So what is the total distance a rat has to travel? 48. 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12, right? Okay, for A to B, that will take how long? 12 hours. For B to C, for B to C, 6 hours, right? For C to D, 12 plus 6 plus 12 divided by 3. So I hope you are understanding. 12 kilometer, rat is covering at the speed of 3 kilometer per hour. It means that it will take 4 hours. Rajan Shah, 18. 12 kilometer at the speed of 4 kilometer per hour. It means, oh, you are telling me answer maybe 3 kilometer, 3 hours, not 3 kilometer, 3 hours. So 48 by 12 plus 6, 18 plus 4, 22 plus 3, 25, right? So the answer will be 1 point something, close to 2. You can say approximately 2, right? Approximately 2. It is 1 point something. 25 into 2 is 25 into 2 is 50. So yeah, those whoever is saying 1.92, it is all calculator answers. You don't understand what you did not understand. Roshni, this is the extra question I gave. Okay, some Arabic or I don't know in which language it was written. So you tell me what is not clear or else I'll move on. Simply we have to take the LCM of the speeds given and then just use logical method. Like if you are traveling, if you know the distance is 12 kilometer, and if you are traveling at the speed of, if it is rectangle, then this will not work because your distance is not constant, Maxwell, in that. So this strategy works only when it is equal distance. Okay, fine. I hope it is clear. All right, let's move then. This is some general question, else average question. Why not add total speed and then divide by 4 to get average? Musinki, that's not the average speed, because you have taken a very good question. So well, let's say that when you have traveled, Musikni is on YouTube asking one question: why not add total speed and then divide by 4 to get the average? See, the thing is here, what happens? A to B, let's say A to B is 10 kilometer, right? A to B 10 kilometer. So when you travel this 10 kilometer in 1 hour, when you travel 10 kilometer in 1 hour, oh, average speed is equal to what? Total distance upon total time. Okay. Now, let's say when you had gone from A to B, you have traveled 10 kilometer. When you're coming from B to A, you have traveled 10 kilometer. Now think and tell me the answer. Can I say on an average you travel 10 kilometer, or I should say that you traveled 20 kilometer? Option A, on an average 10 kilometer. Option B, you traveled 20 kilometer. Which one would be right? What do you think? What you have done? You are going from A to B, B to A, where A to B is 10 kilometer, B to A is again 10 kilometer. Correct. We cannot say that on an average you have traveled 10 kilometer, and for the rest of the 10 kilometer, where were you? You don't know that. Are you getting my point? Okay. So that's why it's like average speed is not what is average speed is not average distance upon average time. It is total distance upon total time. Alone, I think you are late. I think you have joined just now. Saurabh Pariyar, I think you have also joined just now. That's why you are telling me about that formula, which I have already told them about it, and everyone got to know about that formula too. Fine, people. So I hope it is clear now. Have you joined just now alone? And Saurabh Pariyar? Okay, I'm moving the drawings. Rajan Shah, it's impossible for me to provide notes to each and everyone on their Gmail ID because you like are 25, like you are how many, 900 students. And if each 100 students, if I'll keep sending them an email about it, it would be like my entire day will go in that. Okay, so we will be doing something about it. Wait for a while. Okay, so let's move to the next one. The average of 5 number and the average of 3 of these numbers is 41, the average of the remaining 2 numbers. WhatsApp and Telegram is not there nowadays. Okay, there is no Telegram link. Rajan, I cannot do this. Okay, think about it. It's not practically for me to note down each and everyone's email ID and do it. All right, so yeah, we are trying to do this one. I am not the right person, people, to answer about all this. Okay, so the average of 5 numbers is 39.2, and the average of 3 of these numbers is 41. Huh? Okay, so this is like A plus B plus C plus D plus E. This you go with the formula that makes your life more simpler. And the average of these 3, so like 41 into 3, you can say. Find the average of the remaining 2 numbers. So D plus E, you will get 39.2 into 5 minus 41 into 3, and then divided by 2, you will get the average, 36.55. Okay, let's move then. Which question found you are saying 12 plus 8 by 2? Oh, that's wrong answer, Fout. If you are doing that in the exam, you will get wrong answer. So then you have to take the responsibility of that. Amit, it's simple. Which question was it? Eighth one. Yeah. So simple, right? This is a very simple question. The average age of 5 numbers is 39.2. So A plus B plus C plus D plus E by 5, and their average is 39.2. Now they are saying that average of 3 number A plus B plus C is 41. So what is A plus B plus C? A plus B plus C will be equal to 41 into 3. I'll substitute it here. I substituted it here. Then I will get D plus E is equal to 39.2. This will get multiplied into 5, and A plus B plus C will get subtracted, this part. But now I need to take average of these 2 numbers. So average of these 2 numbers will be what? Divide by 2. So divide by 2. I hope you understood now. Okay, Rajan. All right, there was one more question I'll just ask because it's there in my mind. So there was one question one of the student asked. A and B are integers because it was 3 numbers in 3 numbers. That's why we multiplied by 3. Here it is given the average of 3 of these numbers is 41. Okay. A and B are integer. A to the power n plus 1 plus B to the power n plus 1 upon A to the power n plus B to the power n. Which value of n finds the average of the 2? Oh yeah, 0 is the answer. 0, 1, 2, 3. Fine. I got it alone. That 0 is the answer. Even one time, if you will type in, I can read it. Which is Deco, why we divided it by 2? Because D and E, there were 2 such number, right? D and E. were two numbers, so that's why when you have to calculate two numbers average, you need to divide it by 2. I hope this answers now. Okay, so there is one person, Anuj Lal. I'm not solving this question because we have already discussed this question in the previous class. Okay, so you have to go through the video. I cannot solve same question and again and again. Okay, so I hope that was clear. You people were quick, good. Have you solved that question already? Okay, so what's the answer for this one? C is the answer, right? In a class of 60 students, see Amit, that's very simple for me to ignore some messages, right? But the thing is that I don't feel like ignoring my students. And at the same time, I also feel that I don't have to answer each and every question if you keep asking the same question. So now it depends on you whether you want me to ignore your questions, some of the questions, or you want to be sensible and stop asking same question and again. All right. So you have to make a choice. If you are not making a choice, then I'll make a choice. I hope my point is clear. Okay. Coming back to this question, in a class of 60 students, the average height of 30 students is X and that of the remaining. How many will be the remaining students? How many will be the remaining students? 30 only, correct. So this will be 30X plus 30Y. And how many students? 60 students. That's the average. So 30 take common, X plus Y by 60. Answer is X plus Y by 2. Answer is option C. Right? Yeah. Answer is option C. Done? Correct. Okay. We'll move then to the next one. Oh, sister, no problem. There are like, sister, what happens when we copy it and like there will some automatic formatting gets changed. Okay, but that will not happen in the exam. Don't worry. 24 or 21 is the answer. 24. Are you sure? Okay, fine. Let me see. 1 minute. All of you getting 24 only? Okay, 7, 7, 14 plus 1, 15. Yeah, all right. 24 is the answer, correct. Yeah, everybody got it right. I moved to the next one. Okay, nobody wants me to explain that one, right? Fine. Anyway, let's solve this one then. What is the value of k when the equation this has sum of the roots equal to half of their product? What is sum of the equation? What is sum of, what happened, Joey? What is not clear? Which question was that? Hasib Ahmad. See, what is the average of the first 15 multiples of 3? So first 15 multiples of 3 will be what? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 24, no, sorry, 21, 24, and so on. 15 into 3, 45, right? This you will get, like, I'll write few more. 27, 30, 33. Oh, I have to write few more. 36, 39, 42, and then 45. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Right? So one bad way is you add all and divide it by 5. Or you can use what? There is one more method, 3, 6, 9, 12, and the last number is 45. So you know that this is arithmetic progression. So when there is arithmetic progression, take last number and first number, 45 plus 3, and divide it by 2. Take last number and first number, add it and divide it by 2. So you will get 48 by 2. 48 by 2 is 24. That's your answer. All right. Another easy way, another direct way of doing this is 15 multiples. It means that 15 terms will be there. Agree? Now 15 terms, it means that the middle term will be the average, and middle term is 8. So 8 into 3, 24 will be my answer. Understood, Jui, Hasib? Okay. But why use number 45? Why you are writing number? Number it is, Number. 1 minute. So this one is somebody was asking me what somebody was asking. Why we use number 45? Because 15. What use little logic here, people. First 15 multiples of 3 means what? 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 3, so on up to 3 into 15. And 3 into 15 is 45. Okay. Got it? Okay. I hope this is clear now. Whenever it is arithmetic progression, you can take last term and first term and divide it by 2. All right, fine. Next. Okay, what's the answer for this one? B is the answer. So what are the sum of the roots? What is sum of the roots? Minus B by A, and product of roots? C by A. And the condition here they are saying sum of the root is equal to half of the product of the root. So sum of the root will be minus k plus 6 is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 into 2k minus 1. Yeah, k is equal to 7. Correct. Fine. Let's move to the next one. I hope this one is clear to everyone. Yes. Okay. All right. This is the same question we have solved. Not at all. Oh, Lekho. Lekho was simple. For quadratic equation, we need to use, if this is a quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c. If this is the quadratic equation, then sum of the roots is equal to minus b by a, and product of roots is equal to c by a. Okay. Why sum of the roots is equal to minus b by a? Indeed, that's how the equation is being made, quadratic equation. If you see, I should not answer each and everything, but yeah, I will answer this for you. X square minus 5x plus 6. So what we do is split it up. X square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6. And like addition or subtraction should be 5 and multiplication of two numbers should be 6. That's how we solve quadratic equation. I hope you know that, right? So we are just using that formula and we equated it. I hope it is clear now, Jui and Lekoa. Fine. Looking at this one, what is the value of P? When sum of the squares of roots, it means that alpha square plus beta square, if A and B, if alpha and beta are the square. If alpha plus and this, assume the least value. So what is a square plus b square. So a square plus b square equals to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. You know, right? A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a square plus b square will be equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Right, so this will be alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. So do we have addition of this? Assume that least value. What is the value of p when sum of the squares of the roots of the equation? This, assume the least value. Okay. What will be the, I think something will get equal, fine. What will be this? Minus p minus 2 whole square minus 2 alpha beta will be this entire part minus p minus 1, right? But we have to equate it to what? 1 minute. What we need to equate it with? P minus 2 whole square, that's p minus 2 whole square plus 2. Yeah, this will be minus minus plus 2. Well, okay, so then you have to equate it equal. So you, once you will solve this part, you will get this equation, p minus 1 whole square plus 5. Isn't it? Minus p minus 2 whole square is nothing but p minus 2 whole square, because minus square will be this. Clear the blue writing. Okay, I thought that formula is needed. Fine. Now this is alpha square plus beta square. So when you solve this, minus minus plus 2 minus minus plus 2p plus 2. So when you will solve this, you will get p minus 1 whole square plus 5. So what is, as what they are saying, what is the value of p for which this equation satisfies, right? So p minus 1, it just solve this part. So p is equal to 1. Is that clear, people? Y is 7. Where is 7? Amit, can you solve this equation? What you will get? P square plus 2p minus 4p plus 2p will give you, 1 minute, let me clear all this. I mean, why is the answer? Where is the answer? Okay, answer is 7. Okay, that resistor, fine. 1 minute, let's look at it. P minus 2 whole square will be p square plus 4 minus 2p, right? This will be minus 4p. Then this is plus 2p plus 2. When you solve this equation, you will get p square minus 4p plus 2p is minus 2p, and this is plus 4, and then this is plus 2. Okay, so this is giving you p minus, if I say p square minus 2p is there, All right. So if I have to create this formula, correct. So if I have to, p minus 1 whole square is what? P square minus 2p plus 1. Are you getting the point now? Right, right. So to get this plus 1, we will add 1 and we will subtract 1. So plus 1 plus 4 plus 2 minus 1. So this you will get p minus 1 whole square plus 5. All right. Deepika, in all these questions, there are no shortcuts. These are like typical formula based questions. Fine. So now what they're saying, assume the least value of p. So what is the least value of p you can assume? Answer should be 5 actually. If I assume least differentiate, oh my god, Anja, I'm not doing that. No, 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 let's not do that. What we need to calculate p's value, right? What is the value of p? So you will equate it to what? So what should I do? 2p minus 1 equal to 0 if I differentiate it, but I don't think so I should equate it. So p is equal to 1 basically. Correct. So that I would have got directly from here only. But how they are getting 7 then? Okay, now substitute 1 over here. Then see what we need to calculate. Answer has to be 1. What is the value of p when sum of the squares of the root of the equation this. So if I substitute p is equal to 1, then the answer has to be 5. For p is equal to 1. People, I'll look at this question. This question is, the wordings are not so clear. Did anyone get 7 here? Something, yeah, Ayush. So we'll not waste our time on that. Yeah, something is there. Okay, so shall we skip it? We'll go to the next one. Yeah. Fine, let's move to the next one. Sometimes these wrong questions or wrong answers takes a lot of time. Something is missing in this one. I assume the least value of p or something. Fine, let me look at it. Okay. Fine. The equation has only positive root, then which of the following is true? None of these? I think even the answer here is also not incorrect or not correct, sorry. Let's see, let's look at this one. They're saying this has only positive roots. So it means that alpha is greater than 0 and beta is also greater than 0, which means that alpha plus beta is greater than 0. Thank you, Andrew, for your advice and for your suggestion. If the equation x square plus 2p plus 1 into x plus 9p minus 5. So has only positive roots. So alpha plus beta will be what? 2 into p plus 1. And alpha into beta will be equal to what? 9p minus 5. So this 2p plus 1 has to be greater than 0. So p has to be what? Excuse me. So 2p plus 2 is greater than 0. P has to be greater than -1, right? It has to be greater than -1. So then only the roots can be. So yeah, this will be the answer. So answer is none of this. Faisal, there are no such rules. It's simple, like two roots will be there. So we will just take alpha and beta, right? One root is alpha and other root is beta. So instead of a and b, I'm just writing alpha plus beta. All right. And it's all like simple things. Summation of the roots, sum of the roots will be what? Alpha plus beta, and that is equal to what? Minus b by a. Product of roots is alpha into beta, which is like what? C by a. That's it. Okay. It's a concept of 10th standard or 9th standard. I don't know. Some standard. I studied long ago. So I don't remember which standard. You people might have studied very recently. So I might remember which standard. Yeah. Okay. So 12th, no, I don't think so. It is 12th class concept because it was like little earlier one. Let's not debate on that now. Okay. What is the sum of the roots of the quadratic equation? So whoever, Faisal, what will be the sum of the roots? Your equation is 3x square plus 2x minus 1, right? So sum of the roots will be what? Minus b by a. Minus b by a. So here your answer will be minus 2 by 3. Product of roots will be what? Will be equal to c by a. So c by a will be what? 1 minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3. So the answer for this one is 2 by 3. And next one. What is the product of roots? Next one wrong. Yes. This has to be minus 1 by 3. Okay. Wrong options. Fair enough. Let's move to the next one. So the largest angle of a triangle of sides 7 centimeter, 5 and 3 is what? Anybody know this? 7, 5 and 3. Using cost theorem. Oh my God. You people go into your recently studied, right? Sister, from where are you? Where are you from? Okay. All right. So the largest angle of a triangle this is nothing but obtuse triangle. Yeah. Yes, Anupa. And obtuse triangle is, obtuse angle is, property for obtuse angle is a square plus b square should be greater than c square. Right, for right angle, it is a square plus b square should be equal to c square. This is for right angle. And this is the property for obtuse angle. So they're saying the largest angle of a triangle. So it has to be opposite to largest side. So opposite to be largest side, it has to be 120 degree. Okay, didn't understand. Thierry, this is like conceptual question. So if you add any two sides, it will be always greater than third side. So we assume that third side is 7, A and B, A, B and C. So A square plus B square should be greater than C square. So now that's the property of obtuse angle. So obtuse angle means what? The angle has to be more than 90 degree, right? More than 90 degree. So, and the largest angle of a triangle is side is 9 centimeters. So if you look at this right angle triangle, 3, 4, 5, right? 3, 4, 5. So opposite to 5 is what? 90 degree. So opposite to the largest side is the largest angle. Similarly, the largest side here is 7 centimeter and it's a obtuse triangle. So it has to be more than 90 degree. Hence answer is 120 degree. Now, Ritik, that will not be the case because you see here, if this is obtuse triangle, they have given only one side, one angle which is more than 10 degree. More than 90 degree. Okay, so in that case, both can be possible. Like there must be like proper calculation then. Fine. I hope it is clear. If they ask for the smallest one, then they will be asking the question for the C people. They will not ask you such type of question. Okay, for smallest, it could be any angle. Fine. So then there will be certain other question, and then that question will not be of aptitude. It will become your typical 9th standard or 10th standard question. Solved by GPI, I don't know. I have no idea about it. Okay. Fine. So let's move on then. All right. Did you get the answer for this one? (22 centimeter), 8 plus 8 plus 3 plus 3. Yeah, correct. Fine. So I think this three sides of triangle measure 6, 8, and 10. So it is a right angle triangle. 6, 8, and 10. Now they're saying a rectangle equal in area. So this will be one rectangle equal in area to the triangle has a length. So this area of the rectangle will be 1 by 2 into 6 into 8. And this will be 8 into B. Right? So this will get cancelled. This is 3. So B is equal to 3. So this is 3, this is 3, this is 8. Don't go on drawing. 8 at 16 plus 3, 20, 19 plus 3, 22. Yes, 22 is the answer, correct. Okay, fine. Let's move to the next one. I hope this one is also clear. What is the ratio of the respective area it can graze if it is outside the enclosure and if it is inside the enclosure? So inside the enclosure, it is forming a quarter circle, right? So outside the circle, it will be 3 parts. So 1, 2, 3, and inside circle, it is 1 part. So hence the answer is 3:1. Just read the question and understand. Okay, fine. Fine. Okay. Next one. What does it mean? That it's like tied up, tied at one place. What is the area of the triangle having the sides? 4 plus 6, 10. So again, this side is impossible because the sum of two sides has to be greater than third side. That's the basic property of triangles. So yeah, that's why it is not possible. Okay. Let's move to the next one. This question people I forgot to see, and my answer is 360-degree, but their answer is 540-degree. Yeah, and I did not have any idea about this one. So my answer is 360-degree for this one. So they are saying this. A quadrilateral is inscribed in a circle. Correct. Sum of the angles in a quad is 360-degree. It means that we can assume this is 90, 90, 90. We can assume it. So if this is 90, 90, 90, if the angle is subscribed in each of the segment outside the quadrilateral, it means this, which is again 90. So 90, 90, 90, 90 has to be 360. So I am not sure about this answer. Okay, I'm moving on for this question, people. It's not so clear to me. I forgot to look at this question in detail. So we'll see it in next time. Yeah, my answer is also 360-degree, but I don't know how 540 is given. So we'll see. Okay, because that's the logic I have used. So let's move to the next one. Answer must be 360-degree. All right, Shakti. The angle outside is 60-degree. 360, Rinchen. You forgot to type 3. Okay, so if you people are saying 360, so good then. We are good with it. It must be 360-degree. Okay. Fine. Inside is 360, even the outside will be the same, Rinchen, because 90, 90, 90, if you'll assume, it cannot be 540. And moreover, there is one property, sum of the exterior angles of a triangle, exterior angle of a polygon is equal to 360-degree something. That's what I read. Right? Okay. Fine. So what is the difference between the sum of the cubes and that of the squares of first natural number? So sum of the cubes, you know, n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square, and that of the square, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. where n is equal to 10. You will get the answer, right? 2640 is the answer. Fine. Okay, let's move to the next one. What I discussed in my first class, I forgot that. Okay. Okay, yeah. Numbers, fine, maybe. Okay, how about this? 3 minus 9 plus 15 minus 21. So up to 19 terms. It means that up to 3 minus 9 plus 15 minus 21. So let's see what is happening here. 3 minus 9 is minus 6. 15 minus 21 will also be minus 6. So the set of 9 such numbers will be minus 6. All right. So minus 6, minus 6, minus 6. So 18 terms, it means that 9 such sets will be there. 9 such sets. So 6 into 9 will be 54. Right? So you'll get minus 54. And the next number will be odd. So even minus odd. Even minus odd is what? Check any number. 4 minus 3 is odd. 8 minus 7 is odd. So is odd is the answer or even is the answer? What is the answer? Odd is the answer. Odd. Okay. All of you understood? Yes. All right. Once again, see, so Deepika, what is happening? 3 minus 9 is 6, 15 minus 21 is minus 6. So the next two terms, fine, 1 minute. Okay. So, where is that question? So if you take 3 minus 9 is minus 6. 15 minus 21 is minus 6. 3 minus 9 is minus 6. 15 minus 21 is again minus 6. So you will get how many terms? Like 2 terms is giving you 1 set. Another 2 terms is giving you 1 set. So up to 19 terms. So if we'll write up to 18 terms, we will get 9 sets. Agree? 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 18 divided by 2, you will get 9 sets. So minus 6 for 9, you will get minus 54. Fine. So you know that this number is even. Right? Now, another number, the next number, and this minus, the next number is 19th term, which will be odd. So even minus odd. Or like what will happen, the 19th term will be plus here, but this is minus. So that's why basically it is even minus odd. So now take any even minus odd, what you will get. Do some, if you're not getting it, it's okay. Just take some number, like take 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3 is 7. Take any other even number, 16, and take any odd number, 11. 16 minus 11 is 5. So every time you're getting odd number, that's why the number will be, X will be odd number. Okay, fine. Let's move to the next one. In how many ways can 846 be resolved into two factors? I think we have discussed this in the first class. 846. Tell me the prime factorization of 846. Though this question is again not a... Okay. 846. What will be, how you can do it? 2, 4, 2, 3. 4, 2, 6, 3, 9. So this is divisible by 3. 3, 1, 4, 1. Now this is not divisible by 3, or it is divisible. 3, 4, and 7. So now your answer will be 2 to the power 1 into 3 to the power 2 into 47. Right, so 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 3 to the power 0, 3 to the power 1, 3 to the power 2, 47 to the power 0, 47 to the power 1. So your factors, what they're saying, resolved into two factors. One would be, okay, let me make total number of factors 1, 1, and then 2, and then 3, then 2 into 3, 6 will be a factor. Then 2 into 3, 6 into 47. 6, 7, 42. Yeah, total number of factors. Oh yeah, a simple thing, correct. Okay, makes sense. Let's do in a simple way. Total number of factors will be 2 into 3 into 2. So that is 12. And now they're saying resolve into two factors. So just divide it by 2. So your answer will be 6. So it's like basically you're writing it is with respect to, how 2 into 3 into 2. So Deepika, you need to go through the first class. So if it is 2 to the power 1, 2, and 1 is given, we add 1 here. So take this power, add 1 to it. Take this power, add 1 to it. Take this power, add 1 to it. That gives you total number of factor. Okay, fine. So that 1 is nothing but because of 2 to the power 0. This 1 is because of 3 to the power 0. This 1 is because of 47 to the power 0. All right. Done. Fine. Let's move to the next one. I hope it is clear, people. Yes. Okay, fine. If a number is divided by 15, it leaves a remainder of 7. If thrice the number is divided by 5, then what is the remainder? Again, you can assume any number here. Like you can take 37. When 37 is divided by 15, your remainder is 7, right? If thrice the number, so 37 into 3. 37 into 3 is how much? 111 is divided by 5. What is the remainder? Your remainder will be 1. All right, yes, 1 is the answer. So whenever such type of question comes, you assume a word number and then you will get it. Done? Fine, let's move then. Okay, number when divided by 391 gives a remainder of 49. Find the remainder when it is divided by 39. So again, 391 gives a remainder of 49. So you take first number, same process, 391 plus 49 you do. What you will get? 9, 1, 10. This is 5 and this is 4. So when 450 is divided by 391, you will get 49 as the remainder. Now they're saying find the remainder when it is divided by 39. So just divide 450 by 39. 39, 139, 15 minus 9 is 60, 440, 9, okay, yeah. Sorry, 10 minus 9, 14 minus 9 is, what mistake I'm making then? $440 I have to write here, right? So 440 divide by 39. 39, 139. 14 minus 9 is 51. 39. 11 is your answer. So these questions, better you just go ahead with this. Answer is given D. I am seriously doubtful then. Why is that? See, even they are doing the same stuff. Oh, I find the remainder when it is divided by 39. Okay, yeah, correct. So this is one such number, but there could be many other number also. 2 into 391 plus 49. So the answer will vary, correct. Answer is none of these. We have just, okay, in the previous one minute, let me clarify it. In the previous question, it was so clear, if a number is divided by this, it leaves a remainder of 7. If thrice the number is divided by 5, then what is the remainder? So there you take any number, you will get always 1 is the remainder. But here there will be like multiple cases. If you take 391 into 2, you will get different answer. That's why they are saying that answer cannot be determined. All right. Thank you, Raju. Fine. Okay. Will we take the final exam in step up learning? No, final exam will be not on step up learning. Okay, so we do have some time. Answer varies. Yeah. So let's discuss this one quickly. So let me discuss few other questions first. We'll come back to these questions if we'll get time. Direction problems, you know, right? How to solve. Yeah. So we'll skip all those questions then. Question number 21 is also confusing sometimes. So do you want to solve one? Do you want to solve one question? Okay. Which one should we solve? Yeah, syllogism will do. Okay. So which one? Let's solve the previous one. Previous one looks little northwest and everything. 21, right? Okay, Sesto. Let's do 21. So Aruna start to move from P in north and walk the 30 meters. So now opposite to you is north. Wherever you are sitting, you will just assume opposite to you is north. This is south, this is east, and this is west. Okay. On your left is west, on your right is east, opposite to is north, and behind you is south. Now don't get emotional. No, I am facing south, it cannot be east. Forget about that. Let's just go with this. Now Aruna started to move from P in north and walked from P, moved in north and walked a 30 meter. Then he turned towards his left. So left will come, your left will be this side, and moved 40 meter and reached to Q. What is the least distance? So whenever it is least distance, it will be this. So this is nothing but right angle triangle, and this is Pythagoras theorem. So 50, 30, 40, 50 is the answer. In which direction? So this is which direction? Northwest. So your answer is northwest. Okay, C is the answer. Fine, Sesto. I hope it is clear. Answer given D. Okay. No, answer is 50 meter from northwest. That's correct. Okay, that's correct. Fine. Let's move to the next one. Which one? So question number 20 is syllogism question. 14th one is, it's clear, but some question may be complex, but you just do it in this way, Andrew, you will get it. Okay, for syllogism question, let me do this one. Question number 25. Okay, Join will do it later. So when it comes to syllogism, people, I'll give you few things. So go with this. Have you gone through the video of X and syllogism video? Any possibility? Yes. No X is Y. No Y is X. And some X are Y. Some Y are X. And also I remember some Y are not X. Oh, which complex topic you want me to take, Faisal? Okay, so all X is Y. It means that all X is Y. Now, can I say all Y are X? Yes, no? Can I say all Y are X? No. But can I say some Y are X which are getting overlapped on this? Some Y are X? Yes. So always whenever it's been given all apples are oranges, then one conclusion could be correct that some oranges are apple. So this one would be right. Some oranges are apple. So had it been given some oranges are apple, it would have been correct. Are you getting my point? All apple or oranges. So if they would have given some oranges are apple, it would have been correct. Did you get it? No, 1 minute, we'll come to this. Fine. When they're saying no X is Y, so like no X is Y, same time I can say no Y is X. Some Y are X, some Y are X. At the same time, some X are Y. Is also some X are Y, some Y are X, some X are Y, some Y are not X, some X are not Y. This is also correct, but I will get back because I'm checking with one of my friends about it, because I think this perfectly makes sense, because if you are saying some X are Y, then some X are not Y is also correct. So now how to solve this question? If you want to take screenshot, take a screenshot. I will quickly erase it. 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Okay, now how to draw this? All apples are oranges. All apples are oranges. Some apples are mangoes. So some apples are mangoes. Now think about it. This part, this inside part, this part is apple, mango, oranges, all. Right? So now some oranges are mangoes. Yes, some oranges are mangoes. It is correct. Some mangoes are apples. Yes. If some apples are mangoes, then some mangoes are apples are absolutely correct. So your answer will be what? Both conclusion 1 and true. 1 and second follows. Did you get it? Okay. Yeah. Fine. Let's look at few more. Let's look at few more. This question, I will get back to you next time because my answer is different and their answer is different. So I'll come back on this question because I'm using some logic, but I want to check if I'm missing something. Though my logic is, I feel like my logics are right. Logic is right as of now, but check. Some fans are TV, some fans are TV. And then they're saying all TV are radios, all TV are radios. So now they're saying some fans are not radio. So yeah, some fans are not radios. It could be TV or it could be other things. So for me, this is correct. For me, it is correct. I don't know, Shakti, this 150 rules. People keep talking about this 150 rules, but I simply go with Venn diagram. I simply follow the logic, right? Now, all radios are not fans. Correct. All radios are not fans. Some radios are fans. So for me, this is also correct, but no option is there. Yeah, both correct. They are saying neither the conclusion one nor the second is true, but so there is confusion in this question to me also. So I don't want you to confuse now. We will get back. We will solve this one. Okay, we will solve this one. Fine, later we will solve. Let's move to the next one. So now this one. Some engineers are actors. Some actors are scientists. Right? Now, all scientists are engineers, 100% no. All scientists are actors, no. So yeah, the answer is neither follows. Okay, this one was simple. Okay, fine. Maybe I'll come back to this one to explain you one more concept. I'll see that. 1 minute. All right. So here also, I think the answer is wrong. I'm sure about my logic. All chairs are scales. So all chairs are scales and some scales are pens. So no pen is scale. No, some pens are scale. So this is wrong. Some pens are scales. Faisal, let's see this one. Some pens are scales. Yes, some pens are scales. So the answer has to be this, but I think the answer has been marked wrong. And this is so clear from here. Some scales are pens. So some X are Y. I can directly say that some Y are X. So some pens are scales. So this is absolutely right. Hi, Flavel. Okay, so the answer for this is 2. All right, we'll look at one more. So some stones are cups, some stones are cups, and some cups are black. Okay, some blacks are not cups, maybe, may not be, because some are there. Some cups are stones, some cups are stones. So some stones are cups, some cups are stones. So second one has to be right. Yeah, the answer is this one. Okay. Yeah, I also got the same thought, Faisal. I'm telling you, I'll get back to you on this not one thing. Let me discuss with one of my friends. Okay. 3 is correct. 3, I'll tell you where 3 is the answer. I'll come to that point. So this is good, right? Fine. Let me give you one more example where you will find I had ticked what you ticked, but one got some wrong. I had ticked what you ticked. Yeah, I'll get back. But see, second one is completely making sense. Some stones are cups, some cups are stones. This is absolutely right. No doubt about it. Some cups are black, some cups are not black, or some blacks are not cup. So this one I'll get back to you with this not thing. But I'm sure about the second one. Right. So let me tell you one more question. which one I should take so to make you understand clearly. 19th, some scales are pens. Okay. All right. Okay. Fine. Let's look at this one. Maxwell, I used to use this method also, premise, the middle term and all this. But I have stopped using that because that method doesn't give answer for each and every question. So that's why I'm just sticking to this one. So now look at this. All chairs are scales and some scales are pens, right? Now, no pen is chair and some pens are chair. This is the question. What do you think? What would be the answer for this question? D is the answer. Okay. What about others? Only second is true. So some scale are pens, but here they are saying some pens are chairs. So Rajan, you can look at this recordings on YouTube. Okay, now people, this is a little different question. So for some people, if somebody is drawing a diagram in this way, that's correct. But what if somebody is drawing in this way, chair, scale, and whichever scales are here, the common one, those are pen also. Do you think so? This second statement also follows what is being given in the statement. All chairs are scales, yes. Some scales are pens. So it means that some scales which are chairs can also be pens. Agree? Are you getting my point? So now what is happening? If I follow state diagram 1 and diagram 2, conclusion 1. Conclusion 1 is what? No pen is chair. It's correct. No pen is chair. It's correct here in diagram 1, but it is incorrect in the diagram 2. No chair is pen. This is incorrect. If I talk about conclusion 2, some pens are chair. Some pens are chair. It is incorrect, but in the second one, it is correct. So what is happening? Either first one follows or second one follows. So whenever you have some no, pen, chair, or directly you can go with conclusion 1 or conclusion 2, or either or. I repeat. All right. So it's never said that some chairs are paired in the statement. I agree. But what they're saying, some scales are pens. So whatever some scales are pens, it means that the scales which are chairs could also be pens. Think about it, NJ. The scales which are here could be pen also. It's not necessary the one which is lying outside the circle are only pens. They said some scales are pens. So the one which is lying inside the circle can also be pens. Okay. And a simple one, whenever you have this kind of, just pay attention to this. No x is y, some x is y. If you have this kind of statement, some no, x, x, y, y, just go and mark either or, either or. Okay. It works. Fine, people. Did you understand? Yes. Okay. Shall I raise this? No, Maxwell, I really don't know what you're not understanding. Tell me clearly what you're not understanding so that I can explain to you. Need more example. Give me a minute. One minute. Let me share one of the files with you. Okay, we'll do one thing in the next session. Let's do one thing. In the next session, for the first 5 minutes, we will solve Syllogs question. Is that okay? Fine. In the next class, we will solve Syllogs question. Fine. In the next session, for a few questions, we'll solve Syllogs. All right. Fine. So this is done. Amit, I have discussed Amit Shah, I guess. Amit Shah, I have discussed that question in the previous class. All right. Go through the recording. Cup is blue, then blue is sky, then sky is white, then white is blood. How you solve such? So there you have to, Lisa, you have to find out, like, let's say if they're saying red is blue, blue is green. Okay, I'll give one simple example. If they are saying red is blue, blue is green, green is violet, and so on, right? Then what color is blood? What color is blood? So blood is what color? Red color. So red color means what? Red is blue. So blue would be your answer. The question is not correct. Which one, Flywell? Okay, fine, Lisa. I hope it's clear. Which one is not correct? The one posted here. I don't know which question you people are talking about. This I just made. Don't get emotional about it. Fine. Can we do question number 25? Okay. No, I don't teach in Jain University. I only teach aptitude. So yeah, I have to go on question number 25 on someone's request, and that someone is showing. All right, question number 25. So here it is. Rajesh moved 6 kilometers to east. Like I said, this is north, this is south, east, and west. Rajesh moved 6 kilometers to east, and then he moved 10 kilometers after turning to his right. Where will be right, up or down? Tell me. Where will be right, up or down? U or D? Yes, it will be down. So then he moved 10 kilometers. He then moved 6 kilometers after turning to his right. So now, where will be his right? On your left or on your right? Correct, because your right will be in this side. If you're moving in this direction, your right is this side. So if you're moving in opposite direction, your right will be this side. So again, moved 6 kilometers. And what else? Move 6 kilometers to his right. Again, he moves 15 kilometers after turning to his left. Now the left will be up or down. He's moving in this direction, down again. So 15 meter now. Okay, so now in what direction and how far is he from the starting point? He is in south direction. This direction is south, right? So he's in south direction. And what is the distance total? 10 plus 15, 25 kilometers south. All right, showing. I hope it is clear. Okay, fine. So yeah, good then. No problem. Fine. Then let me just, yes, these questions are easy. Oh, really? Thank you, Sesto. So one thing I would like I told you last time also for this type of questions, alphabet VC is related to. So like you write A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So BC is related to YX. So like you see how these are related, right? So same way EF will be related to VU. So your answer will be VU. Okay. Thank you, Deepika. All right. All right. So like whenever you are writing in this way, it has like many plus points to write it in, to write the answers in, sorry, to write alphabet in this way. Okay. We'll move to the next one. So DFE is like WVU, same stuff. FGH will be UTS. RTS? None of these should be the answer then. Yeah, it has to be UTS. I hope you got it, people. Yes. All right, I'm not erasing it, or I should erase it. Okay, then yeah. So this is all about. So write it in this way. Fine. So that's it, people. Is there any other question you want me to discuss? Number 4, please. Let's go to number 4. Number 4. So yeah, this question even I did not understand the logic here. Thank you, Ishika. So Q and something UE. U is what? 21, 22, 1 minute. S is 19, 20, and this is 21, and this is 5. If I number it also. Fine, I'll get back to you on this. I couldn't get the logic for this. Q22 and church is 1, UR1. Okay, so maybe CH they have considered as 1. So UR11, UE they have considered as 2. But why they have considered it as 2, that's the question. Banana. ANAN. So BA should be there at the end. Randomly. Okay, so yeah, this could be one logic here. Like UE and UE is repeating. So they have taken some number to it. CH is repeating, so they have taken some number to it. So in banana, let's go banana. AN is repeating. It means that B and A should be there, and at the center, 2 numbers should be there. So we are not getting BA at the end. We are getting BA at the end. We are getting A5, but 1 number should be there. So yeah, in that case, the answer has to be B55. It could be any number. N is equal to 14, A is equal to 1. But that logic, so taken 5. But that logic is not working in UE. Yeah, somebody said also Nana is repeated. Correct. So in that case, it could be BA and some number. Do we have such case? No. BA and some number. So BA55 or BA44. So yeah. All right. Fine, people. Fourth case, it's A5, A5, 5A, 5A. We need only number. All right, Renchen? We need number here. Even if you take if you take BA, so this has to be some number. If this would have been some number, it would have been possible. What you people are saying, according to that logic, would have been possible. All right. UHAT for Q. Oh my God. That's what they are just looking at random number, Aditya. What they are doing is they have just defined UE. Whatever the number is repeating, they have given whatever the letters are repeating, they have assigned some number to that. CH, they have assigned as 1 and 1. Randomly, there is no logic for it. So here two things possible. A, like somebody said, Nana can be repeated, or somebody saying, somebody was saying B, A and AN. Ayush, can you remind me once? I'm not understanding. I'm unable to recall those questions. So I think you're talking about that altitude and all those questions, geometry part maybe. So somebody wanted me to discuss question number 6. Okay. So yeah, we will do that. Don't worry. We will do that, Ayush. So in this one, in the following number series, how many digits are there which are preceded by an odd number? How many digits are there which are preceded by an odd number but not followed by an even number? So this is preceded by an odd number followed by even number, but it should not be the case. Preceded by an odd number. So preceded by the odd number, preceded by odd number. So this one be 971 will be one case. 971 would be one case, preceded by odd number but not followed by an even number. So this is one such case. Now look for other one. 6 could be 1653, preceded by odd number not followed by even number. Second case. 532, no. 329 can be another case, preceded by odd number not followed by an even number. 298, no. 984, no. 843, no. 435, no. So these are the three cases you are getting. 329 can't be. But see, how many digits are there which are preceded by an odd number but not followed by an even number? So this is possible, Aditya. 2 is preceded by odd number and not followed by even number. It means that it should follow by odd number only. So hence your answer is 3. What's their answer? Yeah, 5438971. I don't know. 7 1. Okay, forget about it. Did you understand this? Preceded means before, followed means after. Preceded is just before that. So like 9 is preceded by 7 is preceded by 9. All right, Jui. 7 is preceded by 9 followed by 1. So preceded by an odd number, it means that if you take any number, it has to be odd number, preceded by odd number and followed by, but not followed by an even number. It means that should follow odd number only. Okay, cool. So I hope this paper is like this test is done almost. Yeah. Okay, done. Fine, people. All right, then. Take care. We'll see you on Saturday. Yeah. Bye-bye. Bye, all. Have a lovely time ahead and stay safe. Keep practicing, people.